How often do you find yourself reaching for a cigarette? It's a question many of us grapple with, and the answer can sometimes be disheartening. But what if there was a gentle, calming way to help curb that urge? Enter meditation, a practice as old as time, yet perfectly suited to our modern struggles. It's a journey of the mind that holds the potential to transform the body. Are you ready to explore how meditation can assist you on your journey to quit smoking? Meditation can serve as a powerful tool in your fight against smoking. It's a practice that directs our focus inward, bringing us into a state of deep relaxation and concentration. It's here, in this tranquil space, that we can start to untangle the threads of our smoking habit and guide ourselves towards a healthier lifestyle. Let's begin the process. First and foremost, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your bedroom, your garden, or even a park. The key is to find a place where you feel safe and at peace. Next, position yourself comfortably. You might choose to sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. The goal is to maintain a posture that keeps your back straight, yet relaxed. This alignment supports the free flow of energy and allows for deeper, more effective breathing. Speaking of breathing, it plays a crucial role in meditation. Deep, mindful breathing helps our body to relax and our mind to focus. So take a moment to notice your breath. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, travels down into your lungs, and then leaves your body. Appreciate this life-sustaining process and let it anchor you in the present moment. Now that you're comfortable, close your eyes and prepare to start the meditation. Remember, this is your journey towards a smoke-free life. Each breath is a step forward, and every moment of mindfulness brings you closer to your goal. Focus on your breath, feeling the air entering and exiting your body. Allow your attention to settle on the rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your chest, and the sensation of air passing in and out of your nostrils. As you breathe in, imagine the air as a healing force, entering your body, filling your lungs with fresh, clean energy. Feel this energy spreading through your body, revitalizing every cell. Now, as you breathe out, imagine the air carrying away any residual toxins, stress, and tension. Feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed with each exhalation. Imagine your lungs, strong and healthy, expanding and contracting with each breath. Feel the life-giving oxygen spreading through your body, nourishing your cells and rejuvenating your mind. Now let's deepen this breathing exercise. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a moment, feeling the fullness of your lungs, the energy within you. Now, gently and slowly, release this breath. Imagine the air carrying away any cravings, any remnants of the old habit of reaching for a cigarette. Feel the relief, the freedom in that release. Repeat this deep breathing in hold and out, hold. Let this rhythm become your anchor, your peaceful center amidst any storm. As you continue this exercise, you may find thoughts or cravings arising. That's okay. Simply acknowledge them and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. This moment is your power. Here, you have the strength to let go of old habits, to create new, healthier patterns. As you breathe, visualize yourself exhaling cigarette smoke. See it leaving your body, dispersing into the air, becoming harmless. This is not a part of you anymore. Each breath out is a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. Remember, your breath is your constant companion, a powerful tool in your journey towards health and well-being. Each breath in is a new beginning. Each breath out is a letting go, a release. Embrace the power of your breath. Imagine the smoke leaving your body, carrying away cravings, stress, and anxiety. Visualize this smoke as a tangible representation of your desire for a cigarette. Each breath you exhale, visualize it as a puff of smoke, carrying away your need for nicotine. Now imagine this smoke transforming. As it leaves your body, it becomes a white cloud. It's not a cloud of harmful smoke, but rather a symbol of release, of letting go. This cloud carries away the remnants of your cravings, stress, and anxiety. Feel the lightness that comes with each exhalation as the weight of these burdens is lifted from you. Watch as the white cloud rises into the air. It's moving away from you, taking along with it your need for a smoke. See how it gets smaller as it rises, disappearing into the vast open sky. It's being diluted, dispersed, dissolved into the clean, fresh air. The air that you now breathe in is pure, untainted by smoke or nicotine. It's a breath of renewal, of new beginnings. This is your journey to a smoke-free life, visualized. Each breath is a step forward, a move towards a healthier, happier you. The cloud of smoke is behind you now, a part of your past that's getting smaller and more distant with each breath. But remember, it's okay if your mind wanders during this exercise. It's a normal part of the process. If you find your thoughts drifting away, gently guide them back to your breath. Focus on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, on the image of the white cloud dissipating into fresh air. Let this visualization exercise be a tool that empowers you in your journey to quit smoking. It's not just about resisting a craving, but about embracing a new, healthier way of living. You're not just quitting a habit, you're starting a new, smoke-free chapter of your life. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Allow yourself to gently transition from the peace of your meditation back into the space around you. Your surroundings may appear the same, but remember, you are different. You've just spent valuable time nurturing your mind and body, focusing your energy on your journey towards a smoke-free life. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your lungs, a clear and refreshing sensation, unspoiled by the harshness of smoke. Feel the ground beneath your feet, solid and real. This is your foundation, your anchor, reminding you that you have the strength to overcome any challenge. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of calmness and control you've cultivated during your meditation. This is your sanctuary, a state of mind you can return to whenever cravings or stress threaten to disrupt your progress. Remember the visualization of exhaling smoke, leaving behind cravings, stress, and anxiety. Recall how it felt to see the smoke dissipate, replaced by clean, fresh air. That is the power of your mind, your will, your resolve. As you move forward, remember that meditation is not a one-time solution. It's a practice, a journey. Some days it'll be easy, other days it might be difficult. But each time you sit down to meditate, you're taking a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. And each step, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. Now, as you gently come out of this meditative state, take a moment to feel gratitude. Gratitude for the strength within you, for the commitment you've made to your health, and for this precious time you've taken for yourself today. Remember, your journey towards a smoke-free life is not a solitary one. Reach out to supportive friends, family, or professionals if you need help. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change takes time, but with perseverance, it's entirely within your reach. Take a moment to acknowledge the calmness and control you've cultivated during this meditation. This meditation can help reduce cravings, alleviate stress and anxiety, and boost your motivation to quit smoking. It's a powerful tool in your journey towards a smoke-free life, and the benefits are well worth the effort. To recap, the meditation involves finding a quiet space, settling into a comfortable position, and focusing on your breath. As you breathe, imagine exhaling the smoke from a cigarette, letting go of cravings, stress, and anxiety. It's a visualization that empowers you to take control, to release the hold nicotine has on you, and to embrace a healthier lifestyle. The key to maximizing the benefits of this meditation is consistency. Regular practice can help reinforce your determination to quit and can make the process of quitting more manageable. Start with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes, and as you become more comfortable, gradually extend your meditation time. Remember, it's normal to experience distractions during meditation. When this happens, simply redirect your focus back to your breathing. This practice of returning to the breath helps cultivate mindfulness, a skill that's invaluable, not just in quitting smoking, but in handling life's everyday challenges and stresses. And while this meditation can be a powerful aid in your quest to quit smoking, it's important to remember that professional help is available if you need it. Don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare providers or local quit smoking resources if you're finding it difficult to quit on your own. They can provide additional support and tools to help you succeed. Finally, consider enhancing your meditation experience with calming music or nature sounds. These can help create a serene atmosphere that fosters relaxation and focus. Remember, every step you take towards quitting smoking is a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. This journey may be challenging, but with tools like this meditation, you're well equipped to make it. So take a deep breath, and let's journey towards a smoke-free life together.